friends, I'm Melanie from melaniecooks.com, and today I'll be cooking frozen Bhatura in the air fryer. Bhatura is an Indian style flatbread and air fryer is perfect for cooking it. So let me open the package of Bhatura, and no need to defrost. Air fryer cooks it straight from frozen. So I'm going to put it in the air fryer. And you can put as many as you can fit in a single layer. And now let's put the air fryer basket in the air fryer. And I'm going to set the temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And I'm going to set the time to 3 minutes. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look. Wow, look at this Bhatura. It's ready. So nicely browned, perfectly cooked. It's so nicely browned, puffy and soft. Perfect. Amazing. Looks so good. I'm so excited about trying it. Let me just show you that it's perfectly cooked. It's so hot. Wow. Now let's try it. It's so delicious. Tastes freshly baked. If you ever see frozen Bhatura in the ethnic frozen food section, give it a try. You will love it. And it's so easy to prepare it in the air fryer. Makes it taste like it came straight from the oven. So quick, so easy, and it's so delicious. For a free printable recipe and other easier air fryer recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!